Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hey everyone, ever wondered how to grill a perfect rainbow trout? It's much easier than you think, and the results are absolutely delicious. This method is quick, healthy, and locks in all that amazing flavor. You'll end up with beautifully tender, flaky fish every time. It's a fantastic choice for a quick weeknight dinner, or even when you're entertaining guests. Before it hits the grill, proper preparation is key. First, make sure your rainbow trout is clean and thoroughly patted dry with paper towels, both inside and out. This helps achieve that perfect crispy skin. Next, season generously with salt and pepper, adding your favorite fresh herbs like dill or parsley. You can even stuff the cavity with lemon slices for extra zest. Getting your grill ready is the next important step. Start by ensuring your grates are sparkling clean. This prevents the fish from sticking and helps with those beautiful grill marks. Then, preheat your grill to a steady medium-high heat, aiming for around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Just before you add the fish, lightly oil the hot grates. This creates a non-stick surface, making flipping your delicate trout a breeze. Now for the main event, grilling the trout. Carefully place your seasoned fish skin side down onto the hot, oiled grates. Let it cook undisturbed for about 3 to 4 minutes. This allows the skin to crisp up beautifully. Then, gently flip it over and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes until the flesh is opaque and flakes easily with a fork. Once your trout is perfectly cooked, carefully remove it from the grill to a serving platter. Let it rest for just a minute or two. This helps the juices redistribute, keeping the fish moist and tender. Then, a squeeze of fresh lemon and a sprinkle of extra herbs like parsley or dill truly elevate the flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy your delicious homemade grilled rainbow trout.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.